to the Ministry of Labour and Employment.
Thank you. Honorable members, आप सबसे अनुरोध भी, in this session we had opportunity to raise 120 questions, 120 zero hours and 120 special mentions, where else only 11 questions, 3 0 hours and 17 special mention could be done. Total time lost was 30 hours and 6 minutes. This time was members' time and not government's business time. Again, I would like to repeat, please. This time was members' time and not government business time. The mandate given by the people has not been fulfilled. It's a high time for us to introspect in the context of resolution unanimously. Please, please, please. Please, just listen. Tiruchi, just listen 1 minute. एक बार chair को बोलने का 1 minute मौका दे, please. The mandate given by the people has not been fulfilled. It's a high time for us to introspect in the context of resolution unanimously adopted by the Rajya Sabha on 1st September 1997 on the occasion of Golden Jubilee of Independence, which inter alia stated, I quote, that the prestige of the Parliament be preserved and enhanced, also by conscious and dignified conformity to the entire regime of rules of procedure and conduct of business of the Houses and directions of the presiding officers relating to orderly conduct of business, more especially by maintaining the inviolability of the question hour, refraining from transgressing into the official areas of the House or from any shouting of slogans. ये हमारा संकल्प था. हम खुद आत्मनिरीक्षण करें कि संसद में अपने लिए गए संकल्प के बारे में हम किस तरह का आचरण कर रहे हैं. Please, now honorable members, 28 notices have been received under Rule 267. Please, no comment. Please, नहीं प्लीज बैठ करके कमेंट किसी तरफ से नहीं. प्लीज आप सबसे, दोनों पक्ष से. संजय जी चेयर कह रहा है, उनसे भी कह रहा है, आपसे भी निवेदन कर रहा है. प्लीज नहीं, आप फिर खड़े होकर, आपको अनुमति नहीं है. वो बैठकर बोल रहे हैं, उन्हीं को मैं कह रहा हूं, आप भी वही कर रहे हैं. प्लीज. द नोटिसेज ऑफ श्री निरंजन बीसी, श्री देवाशीष सामंत राय, श्रीमती सुलता देव, डॉक्टर सस्मित पात्रा, श्री मानस रंजन मंगराज, श्री सुभाषीष खूंटिया, Sri Mujibullah Khan have demanded discussion over the issue of increasing heinous crimes against women and girl children in Odisha. The notices of Sri Neeraj Dangi, Sri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Sri Rajiv Shukla, Sri Sanjay Singh, Sri Saket Gokhale, Sri Abdul Wahab, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Susri Susmita Sen, Srimati J.V. Mathur Hisam have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of a special intensive revision of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Srimati Mausam B. Noor, Sri Rita Brata Banerjee, Sri Tiruchi Siva, Srimati Sagarika Ghosh have demanded discussion over the discrimination against Bengali migrant workers in other states. The notices of Sri Jose K. Mani, Sri Harish Biran, Dr. John Britas have demanded discussion over the alleged unjust arrest of 2 nuns in Durg, Chhattisgarh on 25th July 2025. The notices of Sri Sandosh Kumar P, Sri P.P. Sunir, Dr. V. Sivadasan have demanded discussion over the serious impact of the 25% tariffs and the extra penalty imposed by the US President Trump on Indian goods. Notices of Sri Samik Bhattacharya, please. Sri Samik Bhattacharya demands discussion over the direct threat to constitutional authority of the Election Commission and electoral integrity in West Bengal. The notice of Sri Ramji Lal Suman demands discussion over the unprecedented and unexpected resignation of the Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha. Since these notices do not conform to the detailed directives imparted by the Chair on 8/12/2022 and 19/12/2022, the same are declined. Matter raised with permission. Tiruchi.
Sir, my notice was on SIR, sir, and we have been insisting. One minute, sir. Kindly give 1 minute. Sir, you read out an observation that so many hours have been wasted during question hour and 0 hours, which we are also concerned. We are very much interested in having. But the responsibility of smooth functioning does not lie only with the opposition parties. It's also with the treasury benches. What we are insisting is the SIR, special intensive.
No, sir, it's under
Sir,
court,
please,
court is listening.
please, kindly.
Court is listening.
No, it will affect all the states, sir. We are concerned and we are asking for a discussion. Give us a time. We are prepared to cooperate. But they are not giving the time, sir.
You both parties
Sir,
talk.
let the time, you
I
have
will
to,
suggest,
sir. Sir, you are the custodian of the house.
I
The
will
ruling
suggest-
party has to give a time. We shall sit together, we will discuss, and we will cooperate for the smooth functioning.
I will earnest request both sides you sit and decide. आप
That's
दोनों
it.
पक्ष बैठे हो,
We
सभी
want
कुछ
only
नहीं बैठे।
time, the date.
Please, that's all. Over.
Pramod ji.
That's
Pramod.
over. Please, it's over. हाँ, sir. Please.
से आपका अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि 267 जो नोटिसेस दी हैं सारे लगभग विपक्षी दलों ने, उसमें एक बात बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण है, शायद उस पर नजर आपकी नहीं गई, वरना आप तुरंत स्वीकार कर लेते क्योंकि आप इंटेलिजेंट हैं।
It's not going on record. We are not discussing it.
सर
आप
सर मैं तो आपकी तारीफ कर रहा हूं।
नहीं, मुझे तारीफ ना करें। फैक्चुअल स्थिति है कि
मेरी
उस पे
बात
बहस
तो
नहीं हो
सुने।
सकती।
सर ये सदन राज्यसभा जो है,
ऑनरेबल द चेयरमैन की रूलिंग है, इस पर कोई बहस नहीं हो सकती।
नहीं मेरी बात तो सुने, अरे मेरी बात तो सुने, जो मैं नई बात कह रहा हूं, न्यू थिंग
आपको अवसर दिया,
न्यू, वही तो कह रहा हूं।
हाँ।
मेरा ये कहना है, ये क्या है सहसा, जो नई बात है वो ये है कि ये है काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट। काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट में हम जो इलेक्ट होते हैं वो एमएलए इलेक्ट करते हैं, नॉमिनेटेड को छोड़ दें तो सर। अब बिहार हो या बंगाल हो, दूसरे राज्य हो, यहाँ विधायकों का चुनाव होने जा रहा है, तो इसलिए बात।
थैंक यू, नॉट गोइंग ऑन रिकॉर्ड नाउ। Sasmit Patra ji.
Heinous crimes against women and girl children is happening repeatedly.
Please, thank you.
Increasingly
It's
in
not the
Odisha.
state issue.
We
I
have
will not
requested
allow.
for
No, it's not. I will not allow. Please. John Britas ji.
Sir, I fully agree with you. An issue which is with the Supreme Court need not be discussed. But I request you that let us discuss maintaining the sanctity of elections in this country.
Thank you.
Let us decide that.
You know, Election Commission is a constitutional body, और उस पर डिस्कस करने के there are provisions. Please, let us now take. I will request. It's please 0 hour. Sri P. Wilson, Mr. P. Wilson, your talk that will go on the record.
Thank you, Chairman
Mr.
sir.
P. Wilson.
It has been 8 long years. 8 union budgets
Mr.
have come
P.
and
Wilson,
gone.
you raised
The
the
cost
issue
of
that will
living
go on
has
the record. I will
skyrocketed.
request you not allowing
Inflation
0 hour.
has
आप मेंबर्स को
eroded the
बोलने नहीं
value
देना
of money
चाहते,
and economic conditions
मेंबर्स
have
को नहीं
changed
बोलने देना चाहते।
dramatically.
प्रदीप जी आप बड़े
The
सीनियर
income
आदमी हैं,
ceiling
दोनों
for
जी प्लीज
determining
अलाउ
OBC
कैन यू
million.
प्लीज सुस्मिता जी प्लीज अलाउ योर मेंबर्स प्लीज
Sir, let the house be in order, sir.
I'm already requesting you, please also request your colleagues. Hiruchit, your member is speaking. Give protection to him. Please, I request you. So you are not interested?
No, I'm interested, but the house has to be
please.
set in order.
Please.
Chairman, sir, the house has to be set in
I'm
order.
already requesting you all. आप सब जब बैठेंगे तभी
No, let the house be set in order because they are asking for
running the house.
they are asking for a special intensive
आप members के लिए
revision to be
जो
discussed.
हमारे उस पर डिस्कस नहीं करना
Yes, Chairman, sir.
The
Chairman,
house-
sir. Only
the
1
house
minute.
will-
1 minute, Chairman, sir.
Either you discuss.
No, only 1 minute, sir, Chairman, sir. They are asking
You're
for.
not going on record.
No,
The house
only.
will meet at 12 noon today.